perish. To die or be destroyed, especially in a serious situation like fire, accident, war, or hunger. Thousands of soldiers perished in the war. Without water, plants will perish quickly. Quench. To satisfy your thirst or desire, or to put out something, like fire. I bought coconut water to quench my thirst. I just want something cold to quench my thirst. It took hours to quench the fire completely. In danger. To put someone or something in danger, or at risk. Don't endanger your life by driving so fast. Don't smoke near kids, it can endanger them. Obese. A person who is very overweight, usually with excess body fat, that may affect health. I used to be obese, but I lost a lot of weight. He became obese after years of unhealthy eating. Potent. Something that is very strong, powerful, or effective. It is often used for medicine, smell, feelings, ideas, or effects. This medicine is very potent, so take only one dose. I prefer light perfume, not something too potent. Isolated. Alone, separated, or far away from other people or things. I have been feeling really isolated lately, not sure why. I'm new here, so I feel a bit isolated sometimes. He lives in an isolated area, far from town. Swamped. Extremely busy or overwhelmed, with too much work or tasks. Sorry, I am swamped right now. Can I call you back? I can't help you right now. I am swamped with work. Intrude. To enter a place or situation where you are not welcome or not invited, especially in a way that disturbs others. I am sorry to intrude, but can I ask you something? I didn't want to intrude, so I waited outside. He intruded into the office without permission. Squalid. Very dirty, unpleasant, and in poor condition, often because of poverty or lack of care. He lives in squalid conditions, with trash everywhere. The hotel room was squalid. I checked out immediately. Notorious. Someone or something that is famous for a bad reason, especially for doing something wrong, illegal, or unpleasant. This area is notorious for pickpocketing. This street is notorious for heavy traffic jams daily. Police arrested a notorious drug dealer last night. Monotonous. Boring, repetitive, and uninteresting because it doesn't change. My job is so monotonous. I do the same thing every day. The lecture was so monotonous that I almost fell asleep. Mortgage. A loan you take to buy a house or property where the house itself is used as security until you repay the money. We took a mortgage to buy our new house. I want to clear my mortgage as soon as possible. Delusion. A false belief that someone strongly believes is true, even when there is clear evidence that it is not. He is under the delusion that he is very fit. You are living in a delusion if you think that's true. Immerse. To put yourself deeply into something, so you are fully involved in it. He immersed himself in his studies before exams. We were so immersed in the game, we forgot to eat dinner. Immerse. To put something deep into a liquid. I immersed my feet in warm water after walking. Immerse the pasta in boiling water for 8 to 10 minutes. Vital. Something that is very important, necessary, or essential for life, success, or survival. Water is vital for human survival. Exercise is vital to stay fit and active. It's vital that you take your medicine every day.